What?
No.
There's all over that place.
How do I get to
Alright, can't be
Ethan's place?
Judge Ford.
Okay.
Ethan Volgren's?
Yeah.
Are you You're an idiot. Yeah, just go for it. That man broke.
Yeah, that's...
Actually, no, I don't want to. Yeah, okay, I still call shotgun. I do what I want.
A doorbell?
Yeah.
Hi. Hey, how's it going?
Do they paid for her to go to like?
Yeah, she goes to a private Christian school.
Okay. No, I think I'm the most respectable Senate member now.
Yeah, probably. Respect. No flag.
Is that a Trailer Park Boys reference?
Will you bury your face in my... That's the issue. I don't want to get with you. I just want to kiss you. But I cannot, baby. Kiss me through the phone. I'll see you later on.
I don't really know what we're saying yet, but I know exactly.
Slow down, dog. Slow down.
Hey, I feel that, brother.
I don't know how to get it. I know I gave it 2 months ago.
Text my dad, tell him that we're going to meet up.
I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, I'm trying hard to take it back. So another time, the bar closes and you feel like falling down.
Your mom just said we
I'll
want you guys
carry
to come home and
you
hang with
home
us.
tonight.
Unlock John. Unlock Miles. You have to get him out.
Oh yeah, I forgot he's in there.
You want this?
I do, I want that very badly. Hey John, how's it going?
How was it?
You okay?
No.
Phil, futsal shuffle.
That funky step.
Futsal shuffle.
Futsal shuffle, right now.
Yeah, you
Almost.
doing it? I was deep in a squealing hog.
Remember when Nick would freestyle?
Oh, that's for us. I hope. Get this on camera.
Oh yeah. I've had one since last weekend.
They pulled the boards out. Can you hold my bag? Recording. Yeah, what's up, guys? Back in the classic. Haven't been here in a long time. But yeah, I remember like taking pics on top of this place, and they're all really.
Really?
Well,
Eric's pictures from here were really cool. Those are my favorites.
well, I liked them, but like compared to like my photography now, I think it was a lot worse back then.
There's people. Bro, it smells like dog.
Yeah.
Big time.
Alright, someone else go.
That's true. Bible.
Stupid as hell when I climb up.
And one of them got really screwed up. We were on the beach. He was standing. I was like, dude, it's time to go. And he's like, dude, I've been here for 20 minutes. And then later he was like, I've only been here for 10 seconds. Down there, guys.
I got beans. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Do we want to?
Seems like it'd be too dark. Oh, you can't see it, I guess.
We're going to Torrens again. Torn vlog.
Thing.
Come in. The door was unlocked. This is my friend John. Hey, how's it going? He's from Brazil.
Took your damn time.
I mean, we weren't the last ones here, so.
Yeah, that's not saying much.
That was my goal.
That is not saying much.
Or whatever. Or like, we got like a certain amount of, what do we call it, done.
That's funny. It's like it's like the Tarzan scene when the gorillas are playing drums on all the instruments.
They're
There's
playing
just a bunch of butts.
No, I got.
Striking area. Does anyone have any?
Strike on your balls.
Does anyone have any
You know what I'm saying?
acne scars that I can strike this on? Got a point. You gotta pinch it with your nails.
I'll just let it burn all the way down, idiot.
Here, light it up, light it up, light it up. Right here, right here. Light it up right here.
Go to hell. out.
Bro.
That's Myles.
Yeah, Myles, this is what you get to eat for being so late.
For being such a pussy.
Bro, guys.
Meow.
Nice.
You guys want to learn a TikTok dance?
Yeah, let's learn the renegade.
No. I don't know the rest of the dance.
I can do the renegade
Do you
right
like
now.
what you see?
Go back. It's so bad. That's the most horrible thing ever. And she just does it for likes. It's just for likes and comments, bro. Because she's not even famous really.
Reaction. Oh my god!
Oh my god. That is not right.
Yeah, she
It's
just.
not-
What's wrong is that you know she just did that for likes.
On your feet.
It's giving me nerve wracking. She could crush her feet.
No, that's what you think.
Classic. Bougie. Ratchet.
Skip this, I hate them.
Man, we heading out. The party's leaving, the after party. Alright. Man, I'm gonna head out. I don't like goodbyes, but I'm gonna do my best here. Goodbye.
Got it.
In the bag.
What'd you do?
2 of your points.
Oh.
So this, I would get those 2.
Mine have changed too. Opposites.
I don't think those right now, so you could just pick some up. I'm sure it'd be quick.
Ah, my bad. Tomorrow's Friday. Might lose my mind.
Bathsheba!
I hope I lose my job tomorrow.
Why would you?
Because I want to.
My turn. Thanks for having us.
See ya.
Got my box.
You should put a stick in it. Put the stick in the box.
Do it, let's do it.
Yeah. I just put a stick in the box. Had to put a dick. Peace.
All she needed was had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.
Go home, Roger.
Tea and Tamara in my bed, I'm a smart guy.